Have you ever noticed how some people just keep getting richer year after year? And it's usually not because they're working 80-hour weeks or hit the lottery on a lucky stock tip. The real secret? They think about money completely differently than most of us. Most people work for money. Rich people make their money work for them. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how they do it. No complicated financial jargon, no fluff. Just the actual mindset and habits that separate wealthy investors from everyone else. And stick around, because habit number 4 is the one almost everyone overlooks. Number 1, money is a tool, not the goal. The real gap between an average earner and a wealthy one isn't how much hits their bank account every month. It's what they do with it the moment it gets there. When most people get paid, their immediate thought is, what can I buy with this? Wealthy people ask a totally different question. What can this money earn for me? Before spending on things they want, they pay themselves first by investing a slice of that paycheck. They know a simple truth. Money sitting idle in a savings account is losing value to inflation. Money put to work is building your future. Number 2, they buy assets, not just stuff. Rich people aren't living off bread and water. They enjoy nice things too, but they prioritize buying things that make them money first. They collect assets, things that either grow in value over time or put cash straight back into their pockets. Think index funds, solid real estate, or shares in a growing business. Compare that to a brand new phone or a pair of high-end sneakers. Exciting when you unbox them? Absolutely. But in 3 years, they're worth a fraction of what you paid. Wealthy people understand the difference between spending money to look rich and spending money to actually become rich. Number 3, they play the long game. If there's one mistake that trips up almost every beginner, it's expecting fast results. Wealthy investors don't think in weeks or months. They think in years, sometimes decades. Think of it like planting an oak tree. You don't dig up the soil every morning checking to see if it grew. You water it, protect it, and let time do its thing. Investing works the same way. The market will go up and down, testing your patience along the way. But the people who stay cool and stick around for the long run are almost always the ones who come out ahead. Number 4, they let compounding do the heavy lifting. People say Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. Whether he actually said it or not, the principle is 100% true. Here's how it works. Your money earns a return. Then that return starts earning its own return. It creates a snowball effect. At first, it feels painfully slow. You might look at your portfolio after 2 years and think, that's it? But if you leave it alone, that growth curve starts bending upward fast. This is why wealthy people care so much about starting early. Time does most of the heavy lifting, not luck and not sheer timing of the market. Number 5, they protect their downside. Here's a rule almost every serious investor lives by. Never put all your eggs in one basket. They spread their money across different stocks, industries, and asset types. If one company or market takes a hit, it won't crash their entire portfolio. Beginners focus entirely on making money. Experienced investors focus just as much on protecting the money they already have. Number 6, they never stop learning. The wealthy don't risk their hard-earned capital on a random tip from social media or a friend's hot stock guarantee. They read. They study how businesses make money. They try to understand how markets move. Better decisions come from real knowledge, not wild guessing. In the end, investing in your own financial education is the one asset that never loses value. The takeaway building real wealth isn't about out-earning everyone else. It's about making smarter decisions with what you already have. It's buying assets instead of liabilities, staying patient when markets get rocky, and letting time work for you. You don't need millions to start. You just need the right mindset and the discipline to stay consistent. Real financial freedom was never about chasing money. It's about setting things up so your money works for you. If this gave you a fresh perspective on money, hit like and subscribe for more breakdown videos like this. See you in the next one.